today we will be discussing about the difference between the streak and the spot retinoscope, right? So with the name you can differentiate either which retinoscope is streak one and either which retinoscope is spot one, right? So streak retinoscope means that it is having a streak of light, right? Rectangular streak is there, while the spot means a circular dot which is in the spot retinoscope. So in the spot retinoscope we have the circle, right? Okay, so let's see it in our retinoscope. Here you can see this is the streak retinoscope, right? This is a rectangular light. So you can see this is the streak of light, right? So what is the benefit of streak of light? That help us to identify the axis, right? So it can the most important benefit of the streak retinoscope is that it help us to identify the astigmatism, right? So it is the most important thing that the streak retinoscope help us to identify the astigmatism in the patient's eye, right? And this is the streak retinoscope. You can see the longest one and the shortest one. So this is the streak of light, right? And that is why it is named as the streak retinoscope. And it can check the meridians, right? So if it's a cornea, you can see if you are moving it right like this, we are checking the horizontal meridian. If you are moving the streak, like this, you are checking the vertical meridian. If your streak is like this, you are checking oblique meridian. So this streak retinoscope helps you to identify the refractive error in each meridian of the eye, right? While here you can see this is the spot retinoscope, right? So the spot is having only a dot and it is not having any kind of marks on it or a line on it. So it is okay. So this is a spot retinoscope. It's only a circular spot, right? So here you can see if one is performing the spot retinoscope, he is unable to identify the astigmatism, right? So the spot retinoscope is not able to identify the astigmatism into the patient's eye, right? That is why it is not used commonly in the setups, right? Where it is used in patients that are having the low vision. So it is used in low vision patients. Is that clear? So spot retinoscope is circular in shape. This light is in a circular manner in the spot retinoscope. It does not identify the astigmatism in the patient's eye and is now only used for the low vision patients, right? So this is the difference between the streak and the spot retinoscope. The streak retinoscope can measure the astigmatism and it can check all the meridians of the eye, right? But the spot retinoscope only measures the refractive error, myopia or hypermetropia, but it cannot evaluate the astigmatism in the patient's eye. So it cannot check the meridians, right? And that is why it is only used in patients with the low vision that have absolutely very less vision, so that we can enhance that residual vision. So in that cases we use the spot retinoscope.